Did you get a new car at Target? Because they were 50% off. Can you show me your new car? Is it your favorite? Is it your favorite? What noise does a car make? Okay, well, what noise does a car make? You showing Daddy? Is he bulldozing them? Is he bulldozing them? What is... Oops. Is that your box? Is that your box? Is he driving? Is he gonna fly now? Oh, your little ear is hurting you. You are unique. Ooh. Yuck. Mommy felt like he looked a little creepy, but you wouldn't let any other car be your choice. And this is why he's the way he is. B, you're the best. I see him. Be careful, baby. Be careful. Nanny, I think he wants you to play. Excuse me. Off drain. He just made music. B, is that so exciting? Is he making a car noise? B, you are hitting your head. Daddy, want to drive him on the box? I feel like he keeps whapping his head with it. Getting a little cherry mark. Ew, B.
Yummy.
car. Goodbye, Bee. Goodbye, Bee. Well, they all went different directions. Whoa! Chubby. Bee, what you got? Is that a car? You see puppies and daddy's skinny ears. He screamed off the cliff. It makes total sense. You have a question?
Let's hope.
Yeah, victorious! Bee, are you silly?
I know.
Bee.
And there's a dent. Uh-oh. What are you gonna do?
You gonna stand?
I'll play this.
Uh-oh, you danced to that.
Get out my way.
And I was
Sorry,
like,
I
I
just
need
need
to
some
I need to
music.
clear my stance.
I need some background music.
You're okay. Come on, Bee. His socks might make it hard for him. Bee's like, if I could just rebound off of this thing. Where you find your toes? You got a question? I think you might need some Tylenol since he keeps pulling at that ear.
Oh.
I do.
Are you silly?
Ollie, no. That's a shirt.
Bee. Bee. Get your cars. Get your cars. Come on. Are you Superman in it? Come on. Come on. You need some Tylenol? Daddy's gonna go get it. Bee. Come on. Bee, get your car. Get your car, Bee. What are you doing? Bee, can you say da-da? Da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da. Da 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 da. He said da da. Da 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 da. Is that da da?
With some of this stuff?
Like that. Yummy Tylenol. Oh, daddy. He's like, don't waste a drop. Gooby. Yeah! Nolly is not your seconds. B, can you say da 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 da? Is that a distraction? B, say da 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 da. Da da. Oh, we know that's him. He's so silly. I turned it off so that he would talk to me. B. B. Say da da. B. Say da 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 da. B.
Say da da. Da da.
Can you say da da? We know that's him. B. Say da 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 da. Da 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 da.
Which talk.
Say mama mama mama. Mama mama mama.
Nolly.
B. Mama mama mama. What time is your game, baby? Mama mama mama. That's da da. Da da.
I see you.
Is that so funny?
A secure area to get her stuff up and up.
B. Basketball. B. Can you say ball? Ball. B. B. Say go cards.
Bam, bam. Don't you dare say that.
B. Say go cards. Go cards. Go cards. I blew a bubble. B. Go cards. Go cards. B. Can you say go techie? Go techie. Well, that's the exciting part of this video. It looks like the boys are going into the game.